A thick column of smoke spread out, filled the skies over the western Ukrainian city, Lviv, and its surrounding areas, after a devastating airstrike by the Russian armed forces on key targets, hitting energy facilities, warehouses, and local businesses. Since the morning of November 19, 2025, numerous footage has emerged showing the destruction of the targets, with the Russian Defense Ministry calling the strikes a response to acts of terror by Kyiv, further escalating the conflict. According to Ukrainian monitoring sources, approximately 470 drones and 50 missiles of various types were fired. In Lviv itself, several targets were hit by Kh-101 missiles, reports Paratrooper's diary. At least 10 more rockets struck targets in the city, causing widespread smog and causing power outages. According to Lviv Mayor Andrei Sadovy, Russian forces launched further missiles against civilian warehouses on the outskirts of the city. They hit a wood warehouse, as well as a large tire warehouse, and the fires were difficult to extinguish. The thick smoke blanketing Lviv is caused by burning tires in warehouses belonging to residents. It poses no health risk, Sadovy said, seeking to reassure residents. Initial reports indicate that a large-scale complex attack by the Russian military showed devastating consequences to buildings in the industrial areas, Sparrow and Port. In a 2023 Forbes article titled, "The Great War Turns Lviv into the Country's Main Logistics Hub," the both industrial parks, Sparrow and Port destroyed in Lviv over the past month and a half, are described as flagship projects to divert cargo shipments from the Black Sea port to Ukraine's western border. However, no reports indicate which cargo is currently being prioritized for shipment to Ukraine. The industrial parks, which serve as logistics hubs for Western military aid, are now ablaze. The large logistics center and a warehouse, known as Ukrpochta, appear to be engulfed in flames that cannot be extinguished. Thick black smoke continues to billow over these previously attacked facilities. Russia has struck again, just when Lviv should be enjoying a cup of coffee. In addition to these primary targets, other initial reports indicate Russian strikes on the airport, which is home to F-16 aircraft, and the Lviv armored factory. Reports added that Polish mercenary sites were also hit by Kh-101 strikes, but currently still waiting for details.